All right, folks, let's dive right in. Today, we're tackling a topic that's close to everyone's heart and wallet. Eating healthy doesn't have to drain your wallet. In fact, with a few smart strategies, you can enjoy nutritious meals without breaking the bank. Today, I'm giving you the ultimate guide to healthy eating on a budget. We'll cover everything from meal planning to smart shopping tips. Stick around. You might just save some bucks and boost your health. Trust me, your body and your bank account will thank you. First things first, plan your meals. This is the cornerstone of eating healthy on a budget. It's a game changer. When you plan your meals, you know exactly what you need, which helps you avoid unnecessary purchases. Sit down once a week, look at what's on sale, and decide what you're going to eat. This way, you can take advantage of discounts and seasonal deals. You're not tempted to splurge on pricey takeout. Home-cooked meals are not only healthier, but also more cost-effective. And don't forget to make a shopping list. A well-thought-out list keeps you on track and ensures you buy only what you need. It'll keep you focused and stop you from buying stuff you don't need. Impulse buys can add up quickly, so stick to your list. Next, embrace the power of bulk buying. Buying in bulk can save you a lot of money in the long run. Think rice, beans, oats, and even frozen veggies. These items are versatile, nutritious, and can be used in a variety of dishes. These staples are cheap, healthy, and can be the foundation for countless meals. Stock up on these essentials to always have a base for your meals. Canned goods are good too. Just watch out for added sugars and sodium. Opt for low sodium or no salt added options when possible. Now, let's talk about fruits and veggies. They're crucial for a balanced diet, but can sometimes be expensive. Fresh produce can be pricey, but there's a hack. Buy what's in season. Seasonal produce is often cheaper and fresher. It's cheaper and tastes way better. Plus, you get to enjoy a variety of fruits and vegetables throughout the year. And don't shy away from the frozen section. Frozen fruits and veggies are a great alternative when fresh produce is out of season. They are picked at their peak and can be just as nutritious. They're also convenient and have a longer shelf life. Coupons and discount apps are your new best friends. They can help you save a significant amount on your grocery bills. Seriously, there are tons of apps out there that can save you money on groceries. Apps like Ibotta, Checkout 51, and Rakuten offer great deals. Take a few minutes to browse through them before your shopping trip. You'd be surprised at the discounts you can find. There's a lot you can save with just a little effort. Every dollar saved adds up over time. Store brands are another goldmine. They're often made by the same manufacturers as name brands but cost less. They're usually just as good as the name brands but way cheaper. Give them a shot. Your taste buds and wallet will thank you. Don't forget about leftovers. They're a great way to stretch your food budget. Cook a little extra and save it for lunch or dinner the next day. Leftovers can be a lifesaver on busy days. It's like getting 2 meals for the price of 1. Plus, it reduces food waste, which is good for the environment. It'll save you time, so it's a win-win. You can spend that extra time doing things you love. Lastly, don't be afraid to get a little creative in the kitchen. Experimenting with different ingredients can lead to delicious discoveries. Simple ingredients can turn into delicious meals with the right spices and a bit of imagination. Don't be afraid to try new recipes and cooking techniques. Cooking at home can be a rewarding experience. All right, there you have it. These tips will help you eat healthy without spending a fortune. Healthy eating on a budget isn't just possible, it's totally doable with a little planning and smart shopping. You've got this. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Your support means a lot to us. Catch you in the next one. Stay healthy and happy eating.